Welcome to this video on marine purifiers. We will focus on the function and application of the gravity disc, also known as the ring dam or regulating ring. This video is presented by Assistant Professor Manivannan S., a marine engineer officer and naval architect with extensive experience in the field. Marine purifiers are essential components in marine engineering for maintaining fuel and oil quality. The interface between oil and water within the purifier bowl is known as the separation line. Ideally, this line is adjusted to the outer diameter of the disc stack to maximize clarification and cleaning efficiency while minimizing oil loss. Maintaining the correct position of the separation line is crucial for the optimal performance of the centrifuge. When the separation line is set correctly, the entire surface area of the discs contributes to the cleaning process. The position of the separation line depends on the hydrostatic balance and the density ratio between water and oil. Because water density is relatively constant, the line shifts if the oil density changes. To maintain balance, operators can adjust the water overflow height, which is controlled by the overflow weir. By understanding the relationship between oil density and the separation line, the system can be calibrated effectively. In a centrifuge, adjusting the water overflow weir is accomplished by using a regulating ring, also called a ring dam. This ring dam is a key component in balancing the hydrostatic forces within the bowl. Different diameters of the ring dam are used to tune the separator to the specific density of the fluid being processed. Selecting the correct ring dam size is a standard procedure during commissioning or fluid changes. The set of regulating rings provided with a separator includes various diameters for the center hole. These are installed at the dirty water discharge point of the bowl. These systems can effectively separate liquids with a density difference as small as 0.01 to 0.03 kilograms per cubic decimeter. A key rule for purifiers with a regulating ring is that higher density oil requires a narrower regulating ring diameter to maintain the separation line in its optimum position. Temperature also plays a vital role. The maximum separation temperature for these systems is 98 degrees Celsius, which is just below the boiling point of water. The previous slide highlights the general operating principles for managing separation using the ring diameter and temperature controls. Maintaining the separation temperature near its maximum limit is essential for consistent and effective purification. The design of the regulating ring can vary based on the specific running mode of the separator. Operators should ensure the correct washer-type ring is selected for the specific operating mode required. Using the appropriate hardware for each mode is critical for the reliable performance of the separator. To select the correct ring, consult the manufacturer's diagram. You will need the oil's specific density and the reference temperature. Follow the curves on the diagram corresponding to your oil density until you intersect with your operating separation temperature. The value indicated between the two curves at that intersection determines the correct diameter for your regulating ring. This chart is a vital tool for ensuring that your separator is calibrated correctly for every specific fuel batch. If the regulating ring is too narrow or the oil density is too low, the bowl will accumulate excessive water. This excess water pushes the separation line into the disc stack, which wastes cleaning surface area and reduces overall efficiency. Furthermore, a ring that is too narrow increases the risk of water carryover into the clean oil discharge. Conversely, a ring that is too wide forces the separation line toward the bowl periphery, potentially leading to oil loss in the water discharge. If the separation line is too far out, the remaining water seal becomes very small, which can lead to operational issues. Without a proper water seal, oil will overflow and be accidentally discharged into the dirty water outlet, causing significant loss. The system includes a pressure switch on the clean oil discharge line, labeled as PSL, which monitors for dropping pressure to trigger an alarm. What exactly is a gravity disc? In a centrifugal purifier, it is a precisely sized ring that controls the oil-water interface position. The gravity disc performs several key functions. It maintains the separation zone, controls water discharge, and ensures high purification efficiency. By keeping the oil-water interface correctly positioned, the disc ensures that impurities are removed effectively. It also prevents clean oil from being lost with the discharged water, protecting your downstream equipment. Selecting the correct size is critical. A disc that is too small results in oil loss, while one that is too large allows water to remain in the oil. Always select your gravity disc based on the oil's density, operating temperature, and the manufacturer's specific recommendations. In conclusion, the gravity disc is a vital component for maintaining the integrity of the separation process and the reliability of your machinery. Thank you for watching this presentation on Purifier gravity discs. Please subscribe to my channel, Siemens Sankar, for more marine engineering content. Thank you for your attention to this technical overview. This concludes our lesson on gravity discs in centrifugal separators, brought to you by Assistant Professor Manivannan S. Understanding the gravity disc or ring dam is an essential skill for every marine engineer.